So scrolling through YouTube, there are many videos about how to buy cameras, but most of them just tell you to go through what you need to consider before buying a camera. But they don't tell you where you can find the camera options or where you can actually get the camera from. But in this video, I'll take you through all the way to actually buying a camera step by step. Let's get into it. So step 2, research. Get a piece of paper or have it in your brain and answer the following questions. What price range? What resolution? Video or photo? Either or. What will be the main use of the camera? What features? Etc. Also, you want to mark your priorities on what things you definitely need in a camera and what things you would like but not need in a camera. So once you got that down, moving on to step 2, the longest step, actually finding the cameras. So what you want to do is go through Amazon or any other big retailer, and you want to start searching for different camera brands like Sony, Nikon, Fujifilm, Canon, etc. And after that, you want to put DSLR or mirrorless cameras. So a quick definition of what these types of cameras are. A mirrorless camera is a camera that doesn't have mirrors inside it, making it lighter. DSLRs have mirrors inside them, making the cameras usually bigger. This is just a definition for the differences between these cameras. Back to the video. Then you scroll through the page and look at the cameras under a certain price range. For this example, I'm going to use the budget of £300 to £400.
So I know some people could be like, that's a lot over my budget, but don't worry. I am planning to make a budget video finding cameras using this technique. So make sure you subscribe for that and leave it in the comments if you have any specific budget that you want me to go on from. So leave that in the comments. Make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications so you'll be notified when I release that video. Anyways, let's get back to the video.
So I'll start searching for cameras under 800. You'll understand why I'm doing this in a bit. So you go through the search page. If you can see any cameras which are under 800, for example, you click on it and read through the specs and features. If you can't find out some of the specs like 4K, scroll further down, but if they're not there either, you can always search on Google and it will tell you the specs. If the specs meet up to your needs, then copy paste the name of the specific camera onto eBay or any other second-hand sellers. But for this example, we'll use eBay. So you want to copy paste the name into the search bar and options will appear. If those options are close to your price range, then move on to step 3. If they're quite close to your price range but off by like £100 to £170, if and only if you're planning to buy a camera in a few months, you can keep it on your list as camera prices do drop as time goes on and also as new models are released. So step 3, reviews. So if the camera is in your price range, then you want to copy paste the name onto YouTube and watch a review. If in that review camera meets your standards, then keep it in your list. If it doesn't, you can remove it. Other things reviews are good for is throughout some reviews, they will compare the camera to other options in that price range, meaning you can search those options as well. Then this process keeps going, and if the review you watch didn't give you any more options, then go back to the beginning of step 2 and start the whole process again. Once you got a lot of options in your basket, then you want to move on to step 4, comparison. So you can do this in a variety of ways, making tables, Excel sheets, etc. For the purpose of this video, I'm going to be using Excel sheets, but you can use any method that suits you. So you want to, in the rows column, make different questions or features like resolution, price, before, eBay and after, and stuff like that. After that, it will be based on what you need in your camera, and this comparison will help you decide. Then you can take it further if the cameras are in your price range and has what you need. So hopefully this video helped. It's worth taking your time with this, but hopefully it will be worth it and you'll get the closest to perfect camera for you. If you have any questions or need further help, then leave a comment down below. Anyways, thank you for watching. I would appreciate it if you hit the like button, and if interested in this type of content, then please subscribe, as I'm planning to do a video trying to find good budget camera options using this process, and turn on all notifications so you'll be first to notified when new videos are released. Thank you for watching, stay safe, peace.